he is a mystery. God is a mystery, the mystery to which people turn and with which they enter the communion. God is the mystery, the one mystery towards which human transcendence is aimed. And it is with that mystery that humans are in relationship. Now, this is an interesting view of God. So he recognizes God is a mystery. So it is not fully revealed what and who God is. That's called mystery. But it is precisely in the mystery of God that humans make it the goal of transcendence and establish a relationship with it. So there are other existentialist philosophers, yes, because God is difficult to understand or impossible to understand. They just leave it alone. But in Bertuyf's version, God is a mystery. So humans are interested in establishing a relationship with him, even doing transcendence, a journey towards him. According to Bertuyf, this is more humane. When people are faced with something mysterious, they are more interested, more curious to know, to get closer. If God is not mysterious, for example, it's clear what's what, down to the details. For example, don't expect humans to make imitations. Doing what? Making up something similar to God, so that in the end there is no God, nothing. Just use this. For example, like that. The interesting thing about God is that he is a mystery. There are many things that we don't know, so we want to establish a relationship, want to be close to him. This seems to be Bertuyf. Maybe it can be considered that there is a way of thinking like this. Even so, he said, I am a believing free thinker. My thought is deeply rooted in an initial act of faith. I am a free thinker, but a believer. My thinking is deeply rooted in an initial act of faith. Being a free thinker, okay, that's fine. But I'm not just a free thinker. Bertuyf said, I am a believing free thinker. A free thinker, but a believer. It's interesting that the term is a believing free thinker. So it's precisely by me thinking freely when I think freely, my thoughts are preceded by acts of faith. So it starts with believing, then thinking. Then he said, God is the meaning of human existence. Man finds the meaning of his existence when he recognizes the existence of God, because God is the meaning of human existence. If humans live themselves deeply on one side of their life, which has a spiritual side, they will recognize the existence of God. Even when it comes to freedom, he states, life in God is freedom. Life in God means freedom. Or if the language is easier, we can put God first. Live fully towards God if we are free. If we are not free, we are still shackled by many worldly things. The worldly things might be our thoughts, the institutions that we follow, then the ideologies that we believe in. It means that we are not fully free. Yes, it is difficult for us to reach God, because yes, in the end, we will stop there. Stop at what hinders our freedom. It can be thoughts, it can be ideologies, it can be institutions, and so on. So Bertuyf said life in God is freedom. Life in God, a life of faith, is free. If faith is not free, it is possible that we are trapped in authorities that are not God. That's why in the history of his life, he was punished, exiled, imprisoned in Siberia for criticizing religious orthodoxy. Thank you for watching.